If you've made some great progress building in Rasa Studio and you have some cool flows that you want to hold on to, all you have to do is navigate to the Flows section of Rasa Studio and click on the Download button. What you can see here is now that Rasa Studio is downloading all of your project into a YAML file, and you can have a look at it in your downloads right here. And if you want to open it up and take a look at all of these flows that you've created in the YAML version, so the code user interface of the product, all you have to do is navigate to a editor like Visual Studio. I'm now going to open that folder that I just downloaded. There we have it. And now I can see the code version of the flows here in my editor. Not only is this a great way to be able to save your progress and pass it along to a colleague if you want, but it's also a great way as a practitioner, I think, to get to know the system itself. Because when you have a good idea of how things work when they're being dragged and dropped in the user interface, and also a good idea of what they render in the code side of the product, you can get a much better understanding of the product as a whole. I hope that was helpful. Let us know what you think in the comments.